Can I have two? Sure. No, that's it for now. Do you have any sides?
We have garlic breads, solids. We have truffle, ricotta, salt bread, garlic bread, mozzarella, normal garlic bread.
Yeah. Cool.
That'll be for you. Thank you.
Cool. Can I get some tap water as well?
Oh, the water's not drinkable. Sorry.
You get two. The water's not drinkable, love that.
It genuinely isn't. No, but the thing is that
almost like marathon training.
It is my marathon training since 17, 18.
Not doing it, just sitting in the car.
No, but the nice thing is you're not going to pass.
He's like, oh, lunch at like Pacific Service.
Yeah, or nice stuff or whatever. Every last person checks make that fire. You go for the run the wall, then you start the fight and live in 30 years. So, well, I can do some work.
It's a money kind of like you're out of energy, it's going to replace stuff.
pay for that at the end of it, unfortunately. Yeah, that's why. That's why I say the water's not drinkable.
That's why you like them.
Average consumer like me. It's all about the loyalty points. I will go places specifically because I want to earn points or plus points. Real stuff is going on, I'm sure. Yeah, but I don't think that's unusual.
Oh yeah, it's interesting.
How's your running going? Which one? Oh, right. It's a hard one. Stop that. Stop that.
Why would they have? That's the question. Why would they have?
So,
And
where does it start now?
they have strength.
But where do you
Whatever they say. And even have
I'm going through the Dubai visa because I'm an illegal member. Then do my background checks so I can be back. Yeah, hopefully we're going to find one connection. The original last franchise. New Zealand too. Once or twice.
God, sorry, I'm
Yeah, the noise of the kids.
Thank you for coming up.
It was the intent.
The intent counts. Yes.
Would you like a calzone?
Actually,
Tuesday we had the health visitor over. So we had the health visitor over on Tuesday. No, he doesn't sleep, so we've
No,
I thought she was going to come over and tell me what I want to know. She was like very definitive about it. She was like, okay, the reason why she does this is to give her tummy. Because you give her whole milk, you give her as much as she wants, and then she doesn't eat properly. Basically, like, you know, Denmark Fair on that. It's lovely, so I want to go check it out properly. There were like tons of like kind of hippie-ish. Because it's basically the posh part of Pepsi. It's not like, it's not too I would be doing.
That's fine.
That's yours.
Yeah, if anybody wants like some.
Yeah, me too actually. Also, I mean that I don't. Annoyingly, I have to take Lily to Castle St. The baby
This was yesterday, so it's got a really good learner's course.
Yes, that's right.
He said this one.
Alright.